this video, this is a continuation video. In this video, we are going to learn how code can be specified to a menu driven project. So in our previous video, we learned in previous two video we learned how menu can be designed properly. So we have a normal text editor on screen which have two menu, that is color menu and font menu, and each has some sub menu as well. So without wasting time, let's start with back color and fore color, how color can be specified to them. So what we need to do, just simply in back color we can click on the cyan button, so it will take you to code window. So here we can specify, as we want to change the back color of this text editor, of this text box. This text box I set at multi-line true before. So if you wish to see what the multi-line true is doing, normally in text editor or text box we can write a single line, but in this case as I did it true, so it will behave like a notepad. Okay, and you can set scroll bar to this box as well. You can set scroll bar also to this. See, scroll bar is given here, none is given. We can choose scroll bar vertical or horizontal or both. Suppose I am setting here vertical, so I will get a scroll bar here. It will look like a text editor. Fine. Okay, let's save. Let's continue with our part what we were supposed to do. So clicking on cyan, I want to change the color of text box. So the name is text1. The color, how you can change, all of you know. So clicking on back color, I can specify here VB cyan. Fine. So let's check whether it is working or not. See, so fine, it is working. Next, let's try by changing the foreground color. Okay, so foreground color. So red, clicking on red, I can specify here text1 dot fore color equal to VB red. So let's check whether it is working or not. Writing, and we can change the fore color to red. See, it is becoming red. We need not to select because this is a text editor. So entire content what you have written on the screen will get changed with this color. So same way I'm just I'm just doing for others. Then I will show you the font. Now check. So I have written the coding for all, just copying and pasting. So now all these menus of color is working. Yellow color, and in yellow color I want to write on green font, so I can write. I can specify other color like white. See, it is staying green, but the background is getting changed. So this is how the thing can be done. Okay, now let's go for the font menu for face. So simply go to the code window, design window, then choose or click the Arial. The name has to be perfect. The name has to be spelling name of the spelling has to be very much perfect. If spelling is mistake, then you cannot do it. So text1 dot then we can choose here font. Okay, so font what? Font bold or italic. So we have a font face, so we can choose for that font name here. So font name is what? Arial. So we can write here Arial. It is not case sensitive. You write small letter also, it is allowed. Thereafter we can choose for another font, then we can text impact. So we can make your text1 dot font name equal to impact. So let's check whether it is working or not. Let's write some text and change to impact. Yeah, it's working. It's working very fine. So thereafter we can choose for go for size. Let's do size first. Thereafter we will do style. Size is 6. So we can choose your text1 dot font size equal to whatever size we have selected. We selected, I think, 6. We selected 6, and what are else we have? 6, 8 and 12. So 8. So just we can copy also the coding what we wrote before, that also we can copy. Simply selecting, holding control, you can drag here and can specify 8. Okay, then go there and bring another coding, that is size 12. Now you can select this and can holding control, can drag here and can specify 12. So simply you can do. It is very much user friendly. Okay, touch size I chosen 12. So see, in 12 size impact it is coming. Fine. You can choose from here and there. Check. Okay. So now different size also we can check once it's coming, everything fine. Everything is okay. Everything is fine. So now let's go for style. So for style, we have to choose bold, italic and underline. When you click on the bold, italic and underline should not work. So click on the bold and specify here text 1 dot font bold is there. You have to make it true. Fine. You have to make it true. Okay. Next, let's go to italic. You can choose your text 1 dot font italic equal to true. So when you click on them, it will get activated. It will get activated and it will work. That's why we are giving true. There is a mistake here. I will show you that. So everything I finish. Everything is done. So now run the program and check. Writing the content, we can check. Underline. Yeah, underline is not working. How come? We made a mistake, I think so. So let's check. Let's check underline what we wrote here. Italic we wrote, sorry. So this has to be font underline. Fine. Okay. Let's check others are working fine or not. So italic, yes, italic is coming. Bold is coming. See, once I did italic, thereafter if I am doing bold, so italic automatically should get off. Italic automatically should get off, but it is not doing in that way. So what you need to do for that? What you need to do for that? Suppose this is italic. Italic is true. When italic is true, the other two style has to be false. Other two style, for example, bold has to be false, and text 1 dot font what underline has to be false. So that is what you need to do in each and every case. One is true means other two has to be false. Okay. So let's go for others. Let's go for others. M italic is done. Then where we did those, it is on off, I think so. Yeah, we got here. If it is font bold is true, then which one will be false? Text 1 dot font italic will be false, and text 1 dot font underline will be false as well. Same way, now we can do for underline as well. Now the menu editor is done as we were thinking to do. Now let's check bold. So bold is coming. Let's go for italic. Yeah, bold is getting off and italic is getting on. Underline, bold, italic both get off and underline is coming on the screen. Okay, all get done. Hope. Yeah, all get done. Other than the size and all color, everything is done. Now one more thing here we need to concentrate, that how we can make how can we know that which one is activated now, like color, back four color, can you know like which color now is activated here? No, because there is no tick sign should be there. Tick in the sense which of the option is activated, like back color, which background color is there on screen? White. So white should be, there should be a tick in the white, so that someone can know that which one is activated and others which are deactivated. For example, you are writing in which font now? Don't know. It is not like ticked. It is not activated. It is not bold, or it is not selected kind. Style also same way. So that is what we are going to learn in our next video.